How to change your Gmail account password. So first you want to open up your browser and then make sure you're signed into your Google account. Then you want to click on your profile logo right here and then click on manage your Google account. And this should open up your Google account page like this. Now you want to go to security, scroll down and click on password. And it will prompt you to sign in again to your account. So after confirming the sign in, it will prompt you to enter a new password, which you can choose or basically generate randomly. Sometimes the browser suggests that. So I will enter a new password real quick. So after entering your new password, you will simply click on change password, and then your password for your Google account and your Gmail account should be changed. And that's pretty much it. That's how you change your password for your Gmail or your Google account. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.